What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Things You Do When You're Single with No Kids. All right, guys, as y'all can see by the title, it is shit dumping day. So it's actually about to start raining, so we're gonna jump right into it. And I'm gonna tell y'all how I dump my black tank and my gray tank, the entire process. Let's go. Okay, so for starters, I do start with just dumping the black tank. It's already connected, as you can see. And just so you can see, I want y'all to see how nasty it looks, and I want you guys to see how clear it's gonna get when I'm done cleaning it. So we come right over here, since it's already connected. We literally just pull this. You can hear it coming out. I don't have my stand yet. It'll be here overnight. You see how nasty that looks? Gross. So I do have to pick this up a little bit to make sure it's flowing out properly. Of course, this is until I get my stands, but so I just come from here and just go like this. You see it? Just make sure it's all coming out. Why not do it one more time? All right. It is clear. Okay, so now we're gonna make our way inside. And what I do is pretty much fill the black tank up. Again, pretty full. I put all my cleaning products inside the toilet, and then I let it sit for a little bit. And we're gonna dump again. Let's go. All right, as you can see, I have all the cleaning products right here. Our tank is dumped. We'll go into the bathroom. All right, since we're in here again, I use these air freshener car clips. It makes the bathroom smells freaking amazing. We're gonna open it up and pour all our cleaning products inside, and then we're gonna flush it with water. Wow, I thought I was recording. Oopsies. I've already put an Ajax in here. I put a little bit of bleach and then Ajax dishwashing liquid, and now we're gonna pour Pine Sol. Now I'm going to fill the toilet up quite a bit, guys. Also, I use this toilet bowl cleaner. It's really easy. They have these little detachable things that already have the Clorox products on it. And then you just, like, when you're done washing out your toilet, you just throw it away. It's super convenient. I think it's really dope. It has product on it. You just get it a little wet. And it has Clorox. You can clean the inside of your toilets. Which I actually just did this a couple days ago for the sake of the video. And it needs to be cleaned anyway because I'm dumping again. But I do this like probably twice a week. Just look, and then boom, and you're all good. All right, now we can flush again. Okay, y'all, so right now all of the cleaning products is sitting in the black tank. We're gonna let it sit, soak in there real good, and then we're gonna go back out, dump the black tank. I'm gonna show you that the water should be clear, and then we're gonna connect the hose to the gray water. So now we got like double, triple cleaning of that hose that's getting all that nasty stuff out the black tank. But in the meantime, I do have some stuff that I've ordered and I need to just tidy up in here. So I'll also show y'all real quick this freaking trash can. I'm pretty sure you've seen it in plenty of my videos, but this is a Decker, and it's like supposed to be for like baby diapers. It's a mini Decker, and it keeps the smells, and it's like really sealed. Great freaking trash can. I'm going to post the link to anything I showed you is going to be listed in my Linktree link, which is going to be my bio. And then you have to click on Amazon Faves. Love this trash can. Love it. Oh, Lord. All right. I feel like I'm ordering something every day. All right, so y'all know the vibes be vibing, and you gotta have you a thing of wine on you for all my drinkers. Like, I ran out of wine, and definitely gotta keep some wine. I gotta check this refrigerator though. Some stuff I gotta pull out of there. Keep getting bugs inside of here, and it's pissing me off, so I got a little splash of water, and just in case I, need it. Why did I buy 3? Okay, so I'd like to point out the fact that when I went in there to put the cleaning stuff in there the first time, because I had to do it twice, I forgot to close the black tank, which is not a terrible thing because that means this hose is like about to be clean, okay? So all the cleaning stuff and all the water that I ran through it, it was actually just coming right back out of the hose. So not a bad thing. But I did go ahead and put more cleaning stuff and put a bunch of water. I put it up to about 75% and I let it sit for about 40 minutes. And now we're back outside, we're about to dump it, and I'm gonna show you guys how clear it looks after we dump it. We're going to the gray tank. Okay, so now y'all can see, I have to lift it again. So y'all are gonna see all this is still all from the gray tank. Oh, it smells so good. I said smell good, I don't smell anything. It looks good. Okay, so I honestly prefer this method where I dump the black tank first, then put cleaning stuff down there. Now you can let it drain through it first and then do more cleaning stuff so it can sit in the tank. I prefer this method because when you do unhook this, by the time you unhook it, you should smell close to nothing because you already then flushed it twice before you unhook it. And then you just take this and hook it up to your gray tank. So I'm gonna do a smell test. I'm gonna do a smell test with me cleaning this hose completely through the RV, and we're gonna see what it smells like. Moment of truth. And look, it's even clear. Like usually when you pull this open, it's like black and nasty. The fact that it's clear is giving, like I don't smell anything. I'm right next to a black tank that pushes out piss and I don't smell anything. And I've seen other people clean their hose by dumping it and then taking a water hose to it. Hell no, this method will stop you from smelling. You won't smell anything. I don't smell anything right now. I don't know, I'm kind of shocked. All right, let's go ahead and connect this over to the gray tank and it's gonna get another flush. All right, y'all, now we're over here by the gray tank. I literally smell nothing but cleaning products. We're over at the gray tank, so now I'm gonna just twist it off. This thing be a little tough. And we're gonna hook. And again, this is just another flush clean of your Stinky Slinky. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's even clear. It was already clear. You've seen all the soap and stuff. So let's go ahead and tilt this. All right, y'all, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna disconnect the hose from the gray tank and put it back to the black tank. Make sure you keep all your tanks closed. I do not believe in keeping them open, even though you're connected to sewage. And yeah, follow that process maybe twice a week and you won't have any issues with your tanks and you won't smell a thing. I get my little thing that will hold up this, that'll make me give it a little level. What's that thing? Y'all know what I'm talking about. I get that to overnight, so, and I get the little splitter because even though I'm not really a fan of the splitter, I think I will use it sometimes. That way I don't have to put this to the gray tank. I like to still do it because it cleans out the hose. But again, if you still follow the process I just showed you, your hose is gonna be really clean. Oh my lordy, I'm a little dizzy and hot. This heat is killing me. I'm really looking like a camper out this mug. I hope you guys enjoyed this Stinky Slinky video. And I hope you hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. For now, I will see you in the next episode of Things You Do When You're Single and You Have No Kids. Bye guys.